Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into kit. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Tackle. Which means the equipment required for a task or sport. Tackle. For example, fishing tackle. Number 2. Equipment. Which means the necessary items for a particular purpose. Equipment. For example, suppliers of office equipment. Number 3. Stuff. Which means a person's belongings, equipment, or baggage. Stuff. For example, we stuck all my stuff in the suitcase. Number 4. Hardware. Which means tools, machinery, and other durable equipment. Hardware. For example, high-tech military hardware. Number 5. Paraphernalia. Which means miscellaneous articles, especially the equipment needed for a particular activity. Paraphernalia. For example, the paraphernalia necessary for home improvements. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.